Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Landon. Happy birthday to you.
Say, I'm two. Landon, say, I'm two.
You want to open your present?
Let Daddy hold the balloon so you can open up your present. Open your present. Yay! Rip it open! Rip it open!
Open your present, Landon.
Rip it open, Landon. Tear it open. Arrgh. What is it, Landon? Landon, what is it? What did you get for your birthday, Landon? Oh my goodness, Landon, look!
It's Thomas, Mommy.
How exciting!
Landon got a Thomas the Train?
And what's that called, Mommy?
Oh my goodness!
Is that Spencer? Did you get Thomas and Spencer?
Mommy has Spencer.
Hold on,
Wow!
goodness gracious, Landon!
Mommy has Spencer.
Is Spencer for Ty?
Yeah, Spencer does.
Okay, hold on. You just hold him here and look at him. I'm gonna put a battery in Landon's new toy.
You don't want your balloon? Oh!
Mommy, open my train.
That's Landon's train.
No, the stuff.
Look, Landon, you got a train.
Open mine.
Wow!
Mommy's coming up.
Landon, what is that?
It's Thomas. I'm Thomas.
Do you want to get down and play with your train?
Let's take
You have your train, Landon?
Let's take my hats off and play with my train. Let's take our hats off and play with our train.
You want to get down and play too, Ty?
Yeah. There's waiting on there.
Daddy, can we please have our birthday cupcakes?
Landon, this is your birthday cupcake.
That's mine.
It's Landon's birthday cupcake. Take a bite, Landon.
Yummy. Is it good? Landon, do you like it?
Say, I like cupcakes, Mommy.
You're all done?
Yeah.
You don't want any more?
That's cool.
Hey, Ty, is that good?
That's cool.
It's a cold cupcake?
No.
Or cupcakes. Look at that mess.
Ooh.
Look at those hands. Ew.
See those hands.
Let me see. Look at that face. Gross. Look at those hands.
I want
You want to see it?
to see it. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see our mess. Ew. Let's